Grok came onto the AI scene in late 2023, about a year after ChatGPT, and what's crazy is how fast it caught up. In less than 2 years, Grok has moved into the top tier of AI models. And with Grok4, released in mid-2025, it's now claiming some of the highest scores on popular AI. Elon Musk even said Grok has PhD level knowledge, which sets the bar pretty high. In today's episode, I'm going to break down what Grok can actually do, the things it's good at, what makes it different, and how you can use it to create monetizable content. Let's begin. So first, what exactly is Grok? Grok is an AI chatbot created by Elon Musk's company Grok AI. Think of it like ChatGPT or Gemini. You ask it questions and it gives you answers. Creates video content, explains things, and helps you with tasks. But the whole idea behind Grok is speed and real-time knowledge. It's designed to pull in fresh information from X, formerly Twitter, which means it can stay updated on trending topics, news, and conversations happening right now. There are 3 major ways to access Grok. Number 1, the X platform, so you can chat with it while browsing, checking trends, or following the news. 2, Grok.com. This is the official website where you can interact with Grok directly. 3, mobile app. Grok also has apps for iOS and Android. Let me show you.
On X, there's a Grok icon on the left sidebar. Just click it and you're instantly inside the chatbot. It's tightly integrated with X, so things like searching X posts or generating images for your content are super convenient. Before anything else, let's set up our privacy settings, because this protects your data and your conversations. If you look at the top right corner, you'll see a private icon. When you click it, a pop-up appears saying something like, "This chat won't appear in history and won't be used to train the AI model." That means anytime you turn private mode on, everything you do stays between you and Grok. Nothing is saved and nothing is used for training. So if you want your activity to stay private, always make sure this option is turned on whenever you're using Grok on X. Next to the private icon, you'll see history. When you click on it, you'll see all your past chats, but only if you did not use private mode. If private mode was on, your chat disappears as soon as you refresh the page. So if you want to save anything you're chatting about with Grok, make sure private mode is turned off before you start. Right beside that, you see the bookmark icon. Anything you bookmark while chatting with Grok will show up here, so you can easily find it later. Next, you see the images section. When you click this, it shows all the images Grok has generated for you. So if you use Grok to make images for your posts on X, this is where all of them will be stored. Now let's talk about Grok models. When you click the small drop-down arrow, you'll see different model options. If it's set to auto, Grok chooses between fast or experts depending on your question. Fast gives quick responses. Expert takes a little longer but thinks deeper before answering. You may also see Grok4 1 beta, which is still being tested and available for a limited time. For this walkthrough, I'm using fast, because I want quick replies while demonstrating. Now, this is the main chat box. This is where you can type any question or request, and Grok will respond. If you want to generate an image, click the image icon. You can upload your own picture or ask Grok to create one from scratch. For example, I uploaded an image and simply said, "Analyze this image for me." And Grok instantly broke down everything it could see. Then I gave Grok a prompt to create a brand new image. Here's the example I used. I described the image I wanted and added the action or message I wanted it to show. Like, create an image that asks, "Do you think AI can replace humans?" Once you're done typing your prompt, click the arrow to send it and Grok generates the image for you. After the image loads, you'll see several icons. Regenerate if you want a new version. Share, post it directly to X. Download, save it to your device. Copy the image or link. Edit, make changes to the generated image. All of this is built right into Grok on X, which makes it incredibly easy to create content directly inside the app. But for this walkthrough, I'll stick with Grok.com because that's where all the features are available in one place. If you're not logged in, your features will be limited, so let's log in and get started. Once you're on the Grok website, you can start typing directly into the main chat box. Remember to always turn your privacy on. But right below the chat box, you also see different quick action options like deep research, create an image, pick personas, voices. Each of these helps you use Grok in a specific way. Let's start with pick personas. When you click the drop-down arrow, you'll see a whole list of specialized modes you can switch Grok into. These basically tell Grok how to behave or what role to take on. Here's a simple breakdown of each one with easy example prompts. 1. Legal document review. This mode helps you analyze legal documents, contracts, or agreements in simple English. Example prompt. Review this rental agreement and tell me if there's anything risky or unusual I should be aware of. 2. Cover letter writer. Helps you create professional cover letters for job applications. Example prompt. Write a cover letter for a marketing assistant job. I have 2 years of experience, strong social media skills, and I'm great at content creation. 3. Writing assistant. Perfect for improving your writing, rewriting drafts, or generating ideas. Example prompt. Rewrite this paragraph to make it clearer and more friendly for beginners. Or give me 10 YouTube video ideas about simple AI tutorials. 4. Fitness coach. Helps with workouts, exercise plans, and routine building. Example prompt. Create a 3-day beginner workout plan I can do at home with no equipment. 5. Personal finance assistant. Gives advice on budgeting, financial planning, saving money, and understanding concepts. Example prompt. Explain how a high-yield savings account works in simple terms. Create project. This feature helps you build a full, structured project with clear steps, goals, and tasks. Whether it's for school, work, business, research, or a personal project, this is where you create it. When you click Create Project, name your project. Give it a simple title so you can easily recognize it later. Next, choose the tone. Inside the description box, tell Grok what tone you want the entire project written in. For example, use a friendly tone, use a professional tone, make it simple and conversational. Click Next, and now you can add your material. You can choose Upload a file, paste text. Help me create a project plan for starting a small online clothing shop. Break it into simple steps. Draw a quick sketch. Connect Google Drive. Connect Microsoft OneDrive. Basically, anywhere your file is saved, you can import it. Once the project is created, just click on it. Inside the project folder, everything will be organized neatly. Your notes, research, drafts, and tasks. You can continue writing, editing, or adding more material anytime. View all projects. This section shows every project Grok has created for you so far. You can open them, edit them, or continue working on them whenever you want. Under My Projects, you'll see all the projects you created. Under Shared With Me, you'll see projects other people shared with you. And under Examples, you'll see different sample projects based on the personas we talked about earlier, like writing, fitness, legal review, and more. No prompt needed, just click and open whichever projects you want to work on. Deep research is like having a personal research assistant that can dive into a topic for you, gather information, summarize it, and organize it in a clean, easy-to-read format. Instead of you spending hours searching the internet, reading articles, and piecing things together, Grok does the heavy lifting. Here's how it works. Click Deep Research. Type in the topic or question you want to explore. Grok will analyze multiple sources, compare information, and build a detailed report for you. This report usually includes a clear overview of the topic, key points and important facts, pros and cons if it applies, step-by-step explanations, A final summary you can easily understand.
If you're still here and learning something, this is the perfect time to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with anyone who might find it helpful. We have so many more AI tools to explore in this series.
The next option we are going to talk about is create an image, and this part is very exciting. If you've been seeing people online with those stunning AI portraits and professional looking photos, this is exactly where it happens. You can simply type a prompt and let Grok generate an image for you that works fine. But if you want something very specific, or you want to create a portrait of yourself that actually looks realistic, here's the best method. Step 1. Open a new chat. Start fresh so Grok is not influenced by earlier prompts. Step 2. Find an inspiration photo. Go on Pinterest or any platform. Look for the style of photo you want. Save it to your device. This could be a professional studio portrait, a fashion style photo, a cinematic look, an outdoor pose, anything you like. Step 3. Upload the inspiration photo to Grok. In the new chat, upload the image, then say something like, generate an image prompt inspired by the reference photo. Describe the outfit, pose, lighting, environment, and style, but do not describe the person's face or skin color. This makes Grok describe the style of the image, not the identity of the person. Grok will generate a clean, detailed prompt for you. Step 4. Open another new project. We open a new one so Grok doesn't mix the first image with your own face. Upload a clear photo of yourself, preferably facing the camera. Good lighting, clear facial features, minimal filters, then enter something like, while keeping my exact face, hair, and skin tone, create an image of me using the prompt below. Paste the detailed prompt Grok generated, and boom, your AI portrait will look exactly like you, but in the style you want. This is how people are creating studio quality portraits without ever going to a studio. And yes, you can even turn that portrait into a talking avatar. How to turn your AI image into a talking video? Click Imagine. Click the image upload icon. Upload your portrait. In the text box, type what action you want the video to perform. Example, create a video of me smiling and waving while delivering this line. Click Generate. Your video will be ready in seconds. You can regenerate, download, edit the result. The last feature here is voice. This simply lets you speak instead of typing. Whenever you're tired or you just don't feel like typing long messages, click the voice button, say what you want, and Grok will transcribe it into text instantly.
But totally grounded. By 2025 and beyond, we're talking AI agents that run errands for you, like booking trips or debugging code on their own.
Another powerful thing Grok can do is help you write code. If you want to build a website or create an app but you don't know where to start, Grok can actually write the entire code for you, and all you need to do is tell it what you want. Here's how to do it. 1. Give Grok a clear instruction. Just type exactly what you want your website to look like. For example, here's the type of command you can give Grok. Build a fully responsive, modern website with a soft black theme and clean white text. The design should look premium, minimal, and professional across desktop, tablet, and mobile. Click Send. Grok will generate the full code for your website, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, everything. 3. If you don't understand any part of the code, just copy the part you're confused about and say, explain this code to me in simple terms. Grok will break it down for you line by line. 4. Preview or host your project. Grok lets you preview your project right in the browser. But if you want full control, upload the code into a code editor like VS Code and host it on your own website. This feature is amazing, especially for beginners. Now let's talk about security. You know I take security seriously. If you don't protect your account, it's like leaving your door wide open. 1. Click your name icon, bottom left. This opens your account menu. Click Settings, Manage Account Info. Under Manage, you can change your display name, edit your email, manage your subscription, enable an email plus password login. 3. Security Settings. Click Security on the left sidebar. This is where you manage your login protection. If someone tries to log into your account and you enable two-factor authentication, they will need your password and a special code from your phone. So if you're using Grok for anything important, turn this on. You can choose Authentication App for Sessions. In the Sessions section, you will see your location, region, city, time zone, IP address. This is why I always say, don't share private information unless you trust the platform. They know where you're logging in from. 5. Data. Here, you can download all your data, delete your account. If you delete it, you have 30 days to restore it before it's gone forever. 6. Behavior settings. Go back to Settings, then click Behavior. Here, you can enable task notifications. Grok will alert you when a task is finished. Automatic video generation. If this is on, uploading a picture automatically triggers a video. If you don't want that, turn it off. Appearance. Choose light mode, dark mode, or whatever layout you prefer. Customize responses. Click Customize to control how Grok talks to you. You can choose concise, short, direct answers. Formal, structured, and professional. Socratic Grok responds in a teaching style. Data control. This section controls how your data is used. Improve the AI model. Turn this on if you want your conversations to help train Grok. Turn it off if you want privacy. Personalize Grok. If this is on, Grok remembers your past conversations in new chats. If you want a clean slate every time, turn it off. 8. File Manager. If you upload any files to Grok, click Manage to see everything you've shared. 9. Links shared. Any link you give Grok is stored here. 10. Deleted conversation. Even if you delete chats from the home page, they stay here. You can delete individual conversations or click Delete All to wipe everything permanently. And finally, if you ever want to delete your account forever, the option is here as well.
And that wraps up this part of the Grok walkthrough. If you're enjoying this series, make sure you subscribe because we're only just getting started. And lastly, if there's anything I didn't explain clearly, or if there's a feature you want me to break down in more detail, drop your questions in the comment section. I'm reading every comment and I'll include your request in the next video. I'm Janet Solomon, your one and only digital solution strategist friend. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next part of the episode.